we're gonna get set up for the chicken Kyiv. I also started last night by making the compound butter. But for each 4 pieces of chicken, you want about 2 sticks, 6 to 8 tablespoons of butter. And I just leave it on the counter and soften it. And then I added dill, parsley, chive, garlic, and a splash of lemon juice. Then I wrapped it into a bundle and I chilled it to make it nice and firm so we could cut it. We have 2 things going on here. We have some chicken still waiting to be stuffed and rolled, and we have some chicken that I've popped into the freezer and started to bread. Flour, egg, breadcrumb. I seasoned the breadcrumb with these guys, lemon, dill, and parsley in the breadcrumb itself. So here's how we do this. We split into a chicken breast sideways, but not all the way through, and open it up. And then we fit in a couple of pieces of that butter, and I cut them into smaller pieces so I can figure out the math of trying to get this all rolled and tucked in without exposing the butter. And then we take the bundle, put it on the plastic, wrap snug, twist. Easy, easy. Any light in color, light in flavor oil, getting hot over medium heat. We want the oil to be about 350 degrees, and we want to cook the chicken in small batches. See, this is one from the freezer. And then we'll take these guys. They look like giant egg rolls, don't they? And then we'll take them through the egg. And then into the breadcrumb. And see what I'm doing here? I'm gonna put this off to the side. You cannot put these in one at a time. They will all have different cooking temperatures. You wanna cook them in at least small batches. 2, 3, 4 at the max, depending on the size of your pot. Like shapes and sizes always in cooking, and everything goes, as much as you can fit into the pan, goes in at the same time, so you have, again, even cooking. Okay, and our last of this batch. Now, next to the pot, John, show them next to the pot, there is a transfer tray. That's lined with parchment and a wire rack so heat can circulate all the way around the chicken Kyiv, okay? Now, we're going to put that into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes to cook these through to about 165 degrees. But remember, the center's filled with butter. So you want to put the thermometer just into the meat on an angle on the top or the bottom. The heat's gonna circulate, so it'll be the same temp on both, but you wanna make sure the chicken's cooked through. That's why we're finishing it in the oven. Okay, guys, this is our chicken Kyiv that we have fried in canola oil. And now we're going to finish cooking in the oven. So we just fry these guys once they're breaded until they turn golden brown on the outside. We have to finish cooking them through very gently. So the oven is only on 325, and it's gonna be in there about 12 to 15 minutes. I'm taking it out. Look at that. How gorgeous, right? All I've done is take baby watercress, any kind of spicy green, and dressed it with a little lemon juice and olive oil, and we just piled the chicken Kyiv alongside our gorgeous little bundles. Look, no butter even fell out. Look at the bottom of the tray. Everything's still in there, you guys. How gorgeous is this? Seriously.